Hi everyone, this is KJV Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ang opening prod ng It's Showtime yesterday, Mariel Montellano, if I'm not mistaken, Adele medley. So I won't take any longer kasi yung kay JM ginawan din natin ng reaction video. I'm really excited to watch this. Without further ado, let's start this video. Agad-agad. Go! GGG! Ay, ito na. Ayan na talaga siya. Country's Pop Pristine. Okay, G. Gawin natin to. Go! Wow, ang ganda ng gown. Ang ganda ng gown. Oh, wow. Wow. Nice. Grabe yung emotion. Okay. Wow! Oh my God! Wow! Buong-buo yung boses niya. Yung boses niya, may buong-buo. Grabe yung boses niya. Yung dynamics. Okay. Oh! Grabe, parang nagko-concert siya. Ay! Uy, ang hirap ng ginawa niya. Tinaas niya tapos tumaas pa siya. Bumirit pa talaga siya. Okay. Oh, nice. Overflowing emotion talaga siya, no? Na totoo lang. Okay, what's next?
So I won't let you close enough to hurt me. No, I won't.
Ang ganda niya. Parang siyang Latina.
Just desert me. I can't give you what you think you gave me. It's time to say goodbye.
Say goodbye. Ooh, love that. Control. Beda control. Grabe yung control. Ganda ni Mariel, gagis. Ang ganda ni Mariel. Ano pang isa? What's next?
You've been on my mind.
Oh, I love this song. I love this song. Kimi!
Just thinking of your face. I don't know why I'm scared, 'cause I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all.
Ang ganda ng damit niya din.
Never know if you
Ang bongga ng stylist nila lately.
forget your past and simply be mine. I dare you to let me
Grabe. Grabe talaga yung control niya.
one and only. Walk that mile.
Nakaka-inlove siya, no? Ganda ng makeup niya. Eh? Grabe siya. Ah! Hoy! Mariel! Talaga ba? Ay! Bongga! Bongga! Ay! Ang galing niya dun sa last part, be! Eh, ang galing naman ni Mariel. Magaling naman talaga si Mariel. Pero sa last part, parang, ay! Na-shock ako. There you go, guys. That is our for today's video. The opening prod, Adele medley ni Mariel Montellano in It's Showtime. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!